Hello everyone, this is Swathi and I am from VAT Chennai. I belongs to the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I am pursuing my first year. Here's my teammates, Tima.
So this is Sreelakshmi here, and I am from SRM Institute of Science and Technology. I am currently in second year, and I belongs to CRC code. So our project is to design a road safety system. The outline of our project is to design a safety system for a restricted area. Consider a restricted area which should prevent it from an unauthorized access. So we plan to keep a sensor in the surrounding of that particular restricted area. Like we are gonna fix the sensors in the four sides of that restricted area, and those sensors will detect whenever the object enters or it finds any object, it will indicate in a red color. Otherwise, if there is no object, it will be indicated in the green color. The GUI part of this project will be explained by my teammate Swathi.
So coming to the Python code, first line we can see that we are importing Tkinder. Tkinder is nothing but it is a Python library used to create a graphical user interface. Coming to the second line, we are importing PySerial. PySerial is also a Python library that connects the Python program to the interactive device connected to the serial port. So basically we have taken an Arduino, so we are now connecting the Arduino device with through the cable through USB from the laptop. So in third line also we can see that we are taking this Arduino code is a COM7, so we are connecting that port is equal to serial.serial COM7 9600. So coming to the fourth line, we have used def create square. This canvas is nothing but it is a module where it creates shape, image and text programmatically using the Tkinder library. So the output of this Python code look like this. So the line from the line number start from 13 to 17 just describe how the resistor area and how the fill is like blue color, like that it tells about. 4 to 12 it describes the outer part, how the color of B, the tag how A, B, C, D, the side will be. And from 18 to 31 the code is just describing how the structure of the output would look like road safety system will be the title, so on.
So basically I'm going to explain the setup of this project. So microcontroller returns the comma separated data. So here in our project, the microcontroller, which means the Arduino, gonna return 4 sets of data. Each set belongs to each side, which is designated as A, B, C, D. So here you can see that the A, B, C, D, the values stored for A, B, C, Ds are 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. The last digit is gonna determine whether the object is detected by the sensor or not. So if it is 1, it is detected by the sensor. If it is not 1, there is no object is present in that sensor. So let me come to the coding part. Here we are importing time. While true, we are looping the while statement for infinite times. So time.sleep, which refers to the delay here, we are setting the delay as 0.5 seconds to prevent the process, so that the process could be follow the uniformity. And port.in waiting. Port.in, this particular line refers that if there is no data in the Arduino to read, the process will be passed at that moment. In this line, D equal to port.read line. This particular line refers that if there is data in the port, it will be read line by line and stored in the variable D. As the data will be stored as an ASCII format, it should be converted into strings and stored in the variable DS. So using split function, we are splitting the data as a comma separated data. And so the data which are stored in a string format is further converted into integer format and stored in the DSA1. And we are storing these data in an array. So the first 0th position of the array is stored as a DSA1, and the first position of the DSA is stored as a second position, and so on. So here you can see the list, how it is stored, and we are printing the DSA1. Okay, now we are declaring a variable called letters, and we are storing a list of sites such as A, B, C, D in a list. So and we are declaring a function called change with the parameters called s and I. We are using for loop here to assign the parameters for this change function, and we are calling the change function here. You can see that. So for example, let me explain it with an example. I equal to 2001. Consider it as 2001. It will pass in this loop, and here the I value will be substituted. The mathematical operation will be performed, and it will return 1 year, and the I value will be 2001. As it called the function change, the parameters will be passed to the values will be passed to the parameters here. So now the s value will be 1 and the I value will be 2001. When it is enters the loop, it will check for the if statement. If I %10 equal to 0, then there is no object present here. Then it will be shown in the green color in the GUI design. Else there will be an object. Else part refers to that there is an object present in that restricted area. So, or it is sensed by the sensor. So it is shown in the red color. So 2001 will be passed in, and it will perform the operation here. So it returns 1. So else if it doesn't satisfy the if condition, it will get terminated, and it will so that the else part will be executed here. In else part, it will be shown in the red color, and the s value is here is the s value. Excuse me. The s value is refers to the side 1. So here the side 1 is B. So in the overall coding shows that the side B sensed an object there. Thank you. This is the coding part, and I'm gonna implement the coding now so that you can understand better. So basically this is my Arduino part, and I have executed the Arduino coding. These are the comma separated datas, and you can notice that there is zeros, ones difference. So let me implement the Python part. This is the Python coding part. I'm gonna run this. Yeah, this is the output as my friend explained about the GUI design. This is the GUI design. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.